Welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we are stepping away from the standard white box motorhomes and diving into something that demands attention before you even turn the key. When we talk about van life, we often talk about the trade-offs between mobility and comfort. We talk about the struggle to find a vehicle that feels at home in a narrow European village street but provides enough breathing room to live in for weeks at a time. The blue Pössl Camper van sitting behind me represents one of the most successful balances of those two worlds ever engineered. Pössl has been a dominant force in the European CUV or camper van market for decades, and for good reason. They pioneered the concept of taking a standard panel van, in this case, the venerable Fiat Ducato or Citroën jumper chassis, and turning it into a precision-engineered living space. But before we even step inside, we have to talk about this color. In a market dominated by refrigerator white and safe metallic silvers, this vibrant, custom blue finish is a statement. It transforms the vehicle from a commercial utility van into a lifestyle accessory. It's bold, it's modern, and it perfectly matches the adventurous spirit of the modern traveler. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile base camp. From the outside, you'll notice the sleek black Thule awning mounted high on the roofline. This is your front porch. Within 30 seconds, you can extend this to create a massive shaded outdoor living area, effectively doubling your usable square footage. The black decals and the iconic Pössl branding provide a sharp contrast against the blue paint, giving it a sporty, rugged aesthetic that suggests this van is just as comfortable parked on a cliffside in Norway as it is at a high-end campsite in the Alps. Moving around to the rear, the functionality becomes even more apparent. We've equipped this model with a heavy-duty rack system, perfect for two e-bikes. This is crucial because, while the van is agile, you'll often want. Now, let's slide back that massive side door and step inside. The transition from the rugged exterior to the interior is like moving from a mountain trail into a boutique hotel. The first thing that hits you is the sense of light and space. Pössl uses a light-toned wood grain often referred to as Elegance finish paired with high-gloss white overhead locker doors. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a psychological one. In a confined space, dark colors make the walls feel like they're closing in. Here, the reflective surfaces and warm wood tones make the interior feel airy and expansive. The layout is a classic for a reason. Directly in front of the side door is your dinette area. This is the heart of the home. You have a comfortable forward-facing bench seat with two integrated 3-point seatbelts, meaning this van is a true four-seater for travel. But the real trick is in the front cab. Both the driver and passenger seats are mounted on heavy-duty swivels. With a quick pull of a lever, they rotate 180 degrees to face the interior, creating a social seating area for 4 people around a sturdy, extendable table. Whether you're eating breakfast, catching up on work, or planning your next route on a map, this area feels functional and uncramped. Just to the right of the entrance is the galley kitchen. It's compact, yes, but it's remarkably well equipped. You have a 2-burner gas hob with integrated piezo ignition, protected by a heat-resistant glass cover that doubles as extra counter space when you're not cooking. Next to it is a deep stainless steel sink with a high-quality folding chrome tap. Below the counter, you'll find deep, soft-closed drawers that can hold everything from heavy pots and pans to a full set of cutlery. The refrigerator is strategically placed at the end of the kitchen block. Why? Because it features a double-hinged door. This means you can open it from the inside while you're cooking dinner, or reach in and grab a cold drink from the. Opposite the kitchen is the wet room. In a van of this size, having a fully functional bathroom is a luxury. Behind a solid door, you'll find a swivel cassette toilet, a wash basin with an integrated vanity unit, and a shower tray. While it's not a sprawling spa, the clever use of mirrors and LED lighting makes it feel clean and manageable. It provides total independence, you aren't tethered to campsite facilities. You can go off-grid for days at a time, knowing you have your own private bathroom and a dedicated freshwater tank. Moving toward the rear of the vehicle, we find the sleeping quarters. This model features a large transverse double bed. The mattress is high-density cold foam, supported by a specialized slatted frame system that provides the kind of back support you'd expect from a high-end residential bed. This is one of the biggest complaints in the RV world: poor sleep. but Pössl has addressed it head-on. Above the bed, you are surrounded by overhead lockers for all your clothing and personal items.